Understanding cylinder lubrication, a key to engine health. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an essential aspect of engine maintenance and efficiency: cylinder lubrication. Whether you're just curious about how engines work or are delving into the mechanics of vehicles, this video is for you. We'll break down what cylinder lubrication is, why it's crucial, and how it affects an engine's performance. Let's get started. Cylinder lubrication refers to the process of applying lubricant to the cylinders in an engine. The cylinders are the spaces where the engine's pistons move up and down. This lubricant, commonly known as oil, plays a vital role in reducing friction between the piston and the cylinder wall. By doing so, it helps in protecting the engine from wear and tear and ensuring smooth piston movement. 1. Reduces friction. The primary function of cylinder lubrication is to create a thin barrier between the piston and cylinder walls. This barrier significantly reduces friction, which, if left unchecked, can lead to excessive wear, overheating, and ultimately, engine failure. 2. Dissipates heat. Engines generate a lot of heat during operation. Lubricants help in transferring heat away from the combustion chamber and other critical components, thus preventing overheating. 3. Prevents corrosion. Lubricants also contain additives that protect against corrosion by neutralizing harmful acids and moisture that may enter the engine. 4. Seals gaps. The lubricant helps in forming a seal between the piston and the cylinder walls, which improves compression and the engine's overall efficiency. 1. Wet sump system. The most common type in vehicles, where oil is stored in a pan below the engine. A pump circulates the oil throughout the engine, including the cylinders. 2. Dry sump system. Used in high-performance and racing engines, this system uses a separate storage tank and typically more than one pump to deliver lubrication. It allows for better control of oil flow and pressure, ensuring optimal lubrication under extreme conditions. 3. Mist or spray lubrication. In some engines, especially those in two-stroke engines, oil is mixed with fuel or directly injected as a mist to lubricate the cylinder walls. Understanding the role of cylinder lubrication is crucial for anyone interested in engines or involved in their maintenance. It not only helps in extending the life of the engine but also ensures it runs smoothly and efficiently. We hope this video has shed light on why keeping those cylinders well lubricated is key to a healthy engine. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.